I'm back with yet another beautiful video, and we are going to make a beautiful Christmas bottle today. And as you all are aware, we are making our Christmas special DIY series. So in today's series we are going to make a beautiful Christmas bottle using decoupage technique. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and do hit the bell icon for all the latest notifications. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. So for our bottle decoupage Christmas special video, we'll be needing a glass bottle, Mod Podge, some tissue napkins, scissor, brush, acrylic colors, Christmas embellishments, and I have given a white coat, in fact 2 white coats of acrylic white color to cover my glass bottle from both the sides. And now let's start working on the bottle. So at first we have taken this glass bottle and we have given 2 coats of acrylic white on this, and now I have to decide the placement of my tissue napkins. So I am using this tissue first. So I just want this door design like this on the bottle. So I'll separate this door, this much design, using brush and water. Always remember to separate your design using this technique and not using scissor, because this will give you a clean edge. Now I'll separate the design. I have separated both the designs, the door design and the Santa design, from the tissue napkin. I'll be using the door design at the front side and Santa design at the other side of the bottle. So now let's start decoupaging. Let's take the bottle and start sticking the tissues using Mod Podge. It is very important to prime the bottle and give the base coat, because only when you give the base coat on your glass surfaces, it's easier for you to work with decoupage technique. I have been telling in my earlier videos as well that I have used Asian Paints acrylic white color, and for me it has worked very well on all the surfaces, including glass, wood and plastic. So do not hesitate to use this. It's easily available in the local stores. Now with very gentle hands I will stick it. Make sure there are no wrinkles. I think I should stick a bit down. Yeah. You can also use plastic sheet to stick it if you are a beginner. In that case you can avoid the wrinkles. Like this. decoupage tissues are very fragile, so you have to be very careful while working with these. If you are not having Mod Podge, you can use any other glue or even a mixture of Fevicol and water in equal proportion. But make sure for sealing, it's important to use a decoupage glue, and Mod Podge is the best option available. So like this, I have stuck the door on one side of the glass bottle, and I'll stick the Santa design on the other side now. So after sticking the tissues on both the sides of the bottle, it is completely dried, as I have given a coat of Mod Podge from the top to seal the design. And now I'm going to take red acrylic color to cover this empty area of the bottle, as it's a Christmassy Christmas theme, so I'm using red color. You can even use blue, but red matches very well with my bottle, so that's the reason I've taken red over here. Giving a coat of any color with the help of sponge, that gives a very smooth and even color to your surface. So always use a sponge brush, sponge dabber, or just a piece of sponge to give the color. And one more quick tip I want to give you here, that whenever you are washing your brush, whenever you are using a brush which you have used for Mod Podge, just wash it immediately with running water or with tap water, because if you will not be able to do that, your brush will be completely spoiled and you will not be able to use it again for any of your craft. So make sure you wash your brush immediately after using Mod Podge. Like this, very carefully you have to color, because it should not smudge with your design as well. So this is how I have covered the bottle with red color. And now I want to give a snow effect. For that I am using this white acrylic color, and with the help of my finger I'll just take some white acrylic color and gently I'll dab it like this. You can also use glitter snow over here, but I was not having that, so I've used this one. And I've taken some glitter, which is a powdered glitter, and I'll just sprinkle it on my bottle. So that this glittery snowy effect will come. Like this. And similarly, I want to cover the other side as well. This side is already a bit white from the top, so I don't want to disturb the exact shade which has come up. taking very less paint on my hand, and again sprinkle some glitter. Some glitter at the bottom as well. I have purposely mixed red and silver glitter so that it very well matches with our bottle. Some on the sides of the bottle. When you smudge it with the help of your finger, it spreads quite well. So this is how I've completed the glitter snow effect on the bottle. Now my next step would be to add the embellishments on our bottle, and the final step would be to varnish it. So this is how our bottle looks like after giving a coat of paint as well as after giving the snow effect and the glitter effect. Now I need to add these embellishments, the silver ones. So I'll be adding this reindeer over here. So with the help of glue gun, I'll be sticking both the embellishments, star as well as the reindeer. You'll get these embellishments in any stationery store during Christmas times in many colors, as many colors as you want. And now just rotate your bottle and add the star embellishment. Star with bell. I think this side is proper. I'm purposely adding it at the corner of the bottle so that our design is visible. So this is how our bottle looks like. Now I'll be giving a coat of varnish to it, and after varnish our bottle is ready. So after varnishing, this is how our bottle looks like. You can see how snowy, how glittery, how shimmery and how Christmassy our bottle looks like. So it's very easy to decorate any surface using decoupage. And if you like this video, kindly share with your friends. Do hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll show you the other side of the bottle as well. This is how it looks from the other side. And in a similar way, you can decorate as many surfaces as you want. I have made this tea light holder, Christmas tea light holder, Santa theme. Then I have made this beautiful snowman themed tea light holders. All these are for my custom made orders. In a similar way, you can decoupage on candles, which I have already shown in my earlier videos. And this is one more beautiful red and white tea light holder which you can make. So I hope you liked today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.